Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. As previously reported by Bitcoinist, the release of new live views of the Shiba Inu Metaverse at the South by Southwest Festival in Austin, Texas, has created a lot of excitement in the Shib community. Detailed video views of the WMI Temple Hub were shown at your lead dev Shoshi Kusama, released to the official movie poster. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content, which includes expert analysis and price predictions. Now let's start the video. ADO. Shiba Inu's price has increased by 4% in the last day as the cryptocurrency market bounces back from the weekend sell-off and gains from concerns about the banking sector. Even if the meme token has increased 35% since the start of the year, Shib has decreased by 1.5% in the previous week and 15% in the last 30 days, standing at 0.199. According to the most recent data from wallets, Shib remains one of the most traded EC20 tokens on the market and holds the largest percentage among major investors. There are many grounds to believe that there will be more rallies as Shiba Inu waits for the Sharam Layer 2 network to open, particularly given that the perceived financial crisis is pushing investors toward cryptocurrencies. Shib's indicators point to the possibility that its current rally could last a few more days. The Shib's price hasn't yet risen above its 30-day moving average, and the Relative Strength Index, OSI, has jumped from an oversold position, suggesting that the rally may continue throughout this week. The US banking crisis is driving people toward the cryptocurrency market, which is what's largely responsible for today's Shib rally and the market-wide rally that's boosted Shib's price, with several banks already failing and several seeing massive stock price declines. It appears that some people are looking for somewhere else to put their money, while the Federal Reserve and other bodies have stepped in to calm nerves. If Shib can break through the 0.0015 resistance level, it may rise even further. The coin is eyeing the 0.00125 level it had at the beginning of March. It's difficult to predict when things will settle down, which may work in Shib's and other cryptocurrencies' favor simultaneously. In the long run, Shib will probably gain from the entrance of Sharam, which debuted in beta over the weekend. Having a Layer 2 network dedicated to Shibainu will only boost utilization of the ecosystem within the latter, which has been growing to include Shiba over the last few years. Shiba Inu will become easier, faster, and less expensive to use with the help of Swap and other dApps like Sharam, which will increase demand for all of this is very exciting because, as was already said, there is already a lot of demand for the Shib, which is one of the most popular EC20 coins in Wales. In terms of dollars, it is still the fourth most popular EC20 token in Wales, ranking after ETH, USTC, and USTT, after a number of stable coins and some alts like Matic SNX. Shib is currently the 12th most popular token among Wales. This popularity is expected to only grow as Shiba Inu looks forward to the eventual release of Shib the Metaverse, a virtual platform with a Shiba Inu theme that may launch by the end of the year. Once launched, this platform will have 10,595 plots of land that users can purchase and explore, with Shib set to be one of its native tokens, just like Sharam. In the short and medium term, data from Chang suggests an average year high prediction of 0.000054,485, which represents a very nice 40% gain over its current price. Of course, some Shib holders are looking at a much higher target, with $0.01 remaining a popular, if not entirely realistic, aim for much of the Shiba Inu community. However, the launch of Shiba Inu's own metaverse can only boost demand for Shibs going forward, so the long-term picture for the coin is very good. With the popularity of the Shib Scorser, the Shiba Inu Metaverse's advisor had an even greater surprise in store for the Shib army. A community member disclosed in a tweet, which Jastru verified. The futurist Ted Schilowitz and American film production company Paramount Pictures met with the Shib Meta's team to talk about potential joint ventures. Shiba Inu chief developer, Kusama, was even captivated by Scorch's post. The Shib community member said, "Probably nothing" is a phrase often used, after sharing a photo of themselves with Paramount Schiltz. Paradoxically, Kama tweeted 4 large eyes emojis in reference to potentially significant developments in the cryptocurrency world, apparently to indicate that he is both paying attention and expressing excitement and curiosity. In addition, he included the hashtags hashtag #Sharum and hashtag #ShipMetaverse. In response, Paramount tweeted a South Park GIF with Randy Marsh saying, "Maybe nothing, maybe everything." The Shibu chief developer's gift has increased the rumor's visibility and legitimacy and stoked more conjecture regarding Paramount and the Shiba working together. In a conversation with ZZ Humphrey Jastro, the Inu Meta's crew went on to say that the SXSW Festival's ship in the metaverse was an enormous success. "In the past 2 days, I've spoken with more brands than ever before about their want to be a part of our metaverse." She revealed that we were talking with Paramount Pictures head of Futuristics when she said, "We need to do a licensing deal." This was during the conversation with Paramount Shalowitz. "Rocket Pond is up next for me. After this are some movies. They're all in there, and we want you to dive right in. It's a really good concept." In this capacity, Ted Shalowitz is the first futurist in residence at Paramount Pictures. In order to investigate all new and developing technologies, he collaborates closely with the technical teams of Viacom and Paramount, concentrating on augmented and virtual reality. He does this by collaborating with outside partners to find fresh opportunities. In addition, he counsels Paramount Pictures executives and creatives on how to integrate emerging technologies into their works. The whales of cryptocurrencies sold off around 10 trillion ships. Blockchain data indicates that since Friday, the day the cryptocurrency project launched the Shibari network's early beta phase, Shibu whale balances have decreased from 67.9 trillion to 66.9 trillion. The number of Shibu whale addresses has also dropped by 6.25% over the past few days, according to data from blockchain analytics firm Into the Block that was first reported on the Daily Hodl. This is in spite of the fact that the W investment Shib has increased by almost 7% in the last day amid a wider cryptocurrency market resurgence. The sluggish speed and high transaction costs of the Shib tokens, host chain Ethereum, were the main reasons behind the creation of Sharum, a blockchain alternative. The Sharum team claims that Sharum is the native token used to reimburse validators and delegators in the Sharian protocol, as well as pay for gas transactions. Fortunately for holders of Shib, Sharum burns Shib with each transaction, increasing Shib's scarcity as a cryptocurrency. Before the launch of Sharum, according to Globe, there were over 1.3 million addresses on Ethereum holding onto Shib Rose, and on Coinbase, users were holding onto the meme-inspired cryptocurrency for an average of more than 230 days before selling it or transferring it to an external address. Mark when a new whale takes control of Le Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency becomes more decentralized, since it is less vulnerable to the decisions made by those whales. Additionally, it makes the ship more liquid, as more traders possibly a higher trading volume. By going to a newly created website, anyone can experiment with this early public beta version of Sharum. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.